banger at the back. Right up the crack.
The final chapter of the Palawan diary brought us to Coron, also known as scuba diving heaven. A 4-hour ferry journey north of the main island, Coron became a diver's paradise when 15 World War II wrecks were discovered scattered around the island. I would conveniently be spending my birthday here, and it was the perfect excuse to blow my backpacker budget by gifting myself a dive. Of the 15 vessels, it was decided we'd be plunging down to the 122 metre long, 17 metre wide Olympia Maru